Hey, what's up, Theta holder? Theta is one of my favorite coin. You know why? Because Theta is every day going up like a rocket. But in those days, Theta goes down. This is absolutely very bad. So today video, I discuss this to why they gone down. But before I get started this brand video, please you don't forget to subscribe AVS Tech channel, because subscribe is very important for your, because I am updating you every hour, every second of all cryptocurrencies, every good or bad news. So let's get started the Theta price prediction. Don't forget to like video, okay? So guys, here if you can see the last 1 hour result is absolutely good, not bad. But let's check out the last 1 day result. I hope the last 1 day result is absolutely very bad. I know, oh yes, absolutely, I am right. You can see here the change of last 1 day result as minus 1.86% goes down, and this is one result, one big result, but again they can start moving off. So absolutely, you can see here in the graph is big dump. You can see the graph is going down. Absolutely, this is one result, and the reason as this is the start of a month, this is one result. All holders has gonna sell it, but who is the good, not a seller is good, you know. Seller as a very bad, because this is time to hold it, because you can see here the graph change up. Let's check out the last 1 hour result. The last 1 hour result is absolutely changed. So the last 1 hour result is gone up like a rocket. Absolutely, you can see here in the graph result they start moving up. So this is absolutely good for holder who has hold it. Then absolutely he has a good, they can give you a good profit. So don't sell it. This is absolutely very bad time for selling. Absolutely not time for selling. You can see here in the price, absolutely gone up 11.63 US dollar as the price of one Theta coin. So absolutely the Theta is gone up. So don't sell it. Wait for the end of month, and I hope they can easily cross 20 US dollar. So congratulations Theta, because Theta is every day gone up. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next update. Allah Hafiz.